It's your boy Mr. Capital LTD aka MC Become number 7 kaShangane just net lapho nje and I'm here with
Yo, this is a boy umfana ongezwa umfana one disorder umfana one ADHD bambiza ngochumina ngocha. So yeah man, don't rush boy, don't rush man. So yeah, anamhlanje sine guest and for the first time ne sine guest intombazana. Uyangizwa? Azine guest intombazana man.
For the first time noma hlala kaningi la.
Ngoma nje you understand and uculela ngathi okay ucela ichoir ebathi sinenkinga nayo bathi siyalwa sonke you understand apparently
yeah.
So maka yena ulana shem if abesilwa angicabanga ukuthi ngingabula yazi
so kahle ne
kahle ngikubona kwami angazi ngicabanga kanjani
angazi ngicabanga kanjani
okay maka usuzikhulumela this wala ngathi
ne usuzikhulumela
azizikhulumela angakhohlwa no filter chat
but ngikadvise
uyang advise
ino filter chat le yes ukuthi asideshi asifih next nje asquad
ukwatelana wena no ukwatelana you understand forever humble
okay ngiyeva kuleyo okay mina nguzenzi ngicela inhlakanipho gospel singers asiboneni ukuthi size ngani bo
wena mobekile size ngani la
mna I don't know tawo maka ngathi yena uplanile yazidanga ngathi usuke tanga la so khona yazini aphethe umphako ntanga like uphethe umphako usiphethe umphako sicocela ukuthi
mina ngazi ukuthi like sokhuluma ngani ndothi ngithi asikhulume
wena ufuna ukukhuluma ngani
ngento benikhuluma ngazo la
njengazo
like because bengoma mina podcast yabo so ngifuna
usubscribe ile la before
cala
yes I did
anamanga
sisibo
angathatha
asukhosiport almost sport lapho please fast ngicela base and ipassword yakhe ngiyazi
ngikhohliwe mina ngikhohliwe
I know ayisho asungena aku YouTube sibonga ukuthi usubscribe ile
ngikhohliwe
ukhohlweni
ukhohlweni
azange asubscribe tanga azange
subscribe ne
subscribe
since well your face is here
mina uzibukele
yebo uzibukele ngepride nange subscription yebo I cost mahala
ama like uklicka nje just click the button that's it subscribe
okay
so kahle wona la ufuna ukukhuluma ngani
uzengani
kahle
phela mina ngazi ukuthi mina nongibuza ama question ngini
kuba ngathi wena
kuba ngathi approach ngayo
kuba ngathi wena ne uzo maybe angayenzeka ukuthi awuzovikela ichoir yakho that's fine
mina ngizokhulumela amakhwaya ngivikela ichoir yami like
right yes
that's what you
ula sifuna khona
kahle uvikela ichoir
okay sicale angayiphi
sicale ngayiphi okay
le yokuvikela ichoir yakho awuzovikela amakhwaya amanye
asenze nje asiboneni ukuthi
okay asicale angalaba abanye ngisugcina ngawo
sicale ngabo bantu
laba azothi uyabavikela ibaphi la ubavikela uzweni unenhleki to our podcast from our podcast like yenza ukuthi uthi nawe ngifuna kuba la ngikhulume na my side or my opinions or my views.
No guys mina ngintshela la ukuthi enzakalani angisho nina ngizwa kuthiwa asingathi ngizwa kuthiwa ngibona ngathi
wena
mina ngelihlo lami hayi ngelihlo lenhlakanipho ngelihlo
la nakazi
santhana leli
ngiyabona
kahle ayimawo clarify uzela ezuzenze hayi
ezinhlakanipho okay
so guys mina lana ne mina ka Klep and Tap anginasikhathi ngifuna ka Klep and Tap because of ngafika kuthiwa iinfinios nenhlakanipho ayifunani.
Why okay mawo asicale ngaleyo vele why isingafunani
mina angazi angizwa ukuthi bengifike
sexual wena mawubhekile asifuni thina
like ikhuluma awungasabi
sengikhulumela as a member le infinios
asikhuluma vele
reason being
yana
like ngizothini mina because the mina ngibona ngakhona nisifuni vele
reason being yini lezi
uzothi thina sifuni
mawuzobona utshala uzothi umfana wakho infinios vele akasifuni
why
hayi ukuthi nonke nisifuni khona bangasifuni obvious masisothi angeke ngize ngithi ubani nobani abasifuni thina soyikho masisothi infinios ayisifuni
facts okay right okay la angakhohla ngisho ukuthi amagama siyakhuluma so awubani bangakufuni ku infinios
hayi mina nginendaba futhi shem hayi mina
yes it's fine ngisho asilwi anomuntu asuka umuntu ngisho
Haya
so like when I issue abantu abaninkinga now, you understand? Then those people back, then those people who come here nabasikhuluma ukuthi hayi mina girl nginenkinga nawe vele or anginankinga nawe. Okay.
Hayi mina ngibaza abaninkinga nami ku-Infinos. Mina ngiyakhuluma guys la ukuthi ngithi mina. Lana i-Infinos ayisifuni. Kanjani ukho esinaza ngazi ukuthi ngichaze kanjani.
Ikaze lokho ngingaphandle kwe reason.
Ngicabanga okay no.
Abana reason.
Sina asinifuni ngaphandle kwe reason.
Kahle
ikhona reason.
Kahle inkinga yeni nina yazini. Yazi inkinga la kahle mina futhi bengingayiboni impi kangako ne. Inkinga la ukuthi kusuke kwaba ile show le.
Impi.
Kanina nina bathi nisempini.
Serious akucocela. Angiyefihlele Jumi mina. Izakucocela mina. Yangisona ngapha ngisho ecamera nto le. Futhi thina we got like amahemem from your guys side ukuthi nina nithi kuyaliwa after show
phezulu.
You understand? My man.
Nisifaka sonke thina.
Mama. Hayi nina bayi.
Nina umuntu asenhlakani phonitshele kanjalo. Ngiyazi nokuthi
oh isiza nazo ke ubani sifuna kanjalo.
Paseka
Stop the cap.
That's why
That's why okay.
Upaseka ushilo wathi nina konje besikhuluma ngani la
ngokuthi isinenkinga.
Yes, upaseka ushilo la wathi namana besingakhulumi ngalokho.
Sikhuluma ngani manje?
Konje besikhuluma ngani? Sosibuyise emqondweni.
Besikhuluma ngayo le ndaba
yini? Asinifuni. Asathubani lo.
Sathubani.
Angisho mina ngithe kuwe like angisho khona abantu from your guys side bathi yimpi kuyoliwa after show.
Oh yes. Cause unontuzana upaseka uyilapha ku Facebook. Upaseka uthi utext yobani ngomfana lo uSheriff.
Ujabule.
uSheriff wamtshela ukuthi yena unespam WhatsApp. After show yoliwa. Kushayana kuliwe. So mina into engikuzo ukuthi okay mina ngingafakwa mina okay thina singafakwa ofuna ukuhamba ahamba yolwayiwayo.
Okay mina ngixoxela something Johnny ngixoxela something yakena to my group ne to Infinos jo yonke ne ukhuluma ivalo iqiniso nasi I can even like place out ama chats waku group chat yethu they've never been whereby ukuthi bathi siyolwa lapha bayahlanga so khona la umzwakhe awaposta ipost yapaseka la athi inhlakanipho neInfinos enhlakeni lwane ekhumbula le umzwakhe ayamazi. Okay umzwakhe awaposta ku group yethu WhatsApp wathi bafethu kanti yini le esilwelayo you understand kwaze akwakhomenta nomuyugelo bambiza ngoVivian wathi shuthi yibo abalwa nathi le yakena lento le ngasini labani usithembile you understand
from your side
ngamsele ngathi emfethu ngimtshela ukuthi echo nina nilwa nabantu abangeke empini nangabhabheka la ngabe bokuliwa ngama ubona ukuthi bayalandwa vele but then instead la ubona ukuthi bayabuza ukuthi enhlekhe lakhe yini esilwelayo
guys yabona thina kube besilwa ne
kulwa yakena ba yakena
kube besilwa thina sinhlanhla because la anyeke sithi unjabulo uyalo sonke sinhlanhla sothi mina ngizothi yonke inhlakaniphi yalo you understand okanyeke sithi uzenze uyalo yonke inhlakaniphi yalo okay
yeah facts
mina kube thina besinganifuni angisho nakhona abantu abasekhona bebakhona ukuza kureza lethu you understand thina mina bengikhona ngiya ku Infinos
nabo ngapha ebakhona
into abayisho angazi ngawazwapi bathi abasasifune Infinos botshana nomphatho ukuthi abasasifune Infinos.
Hey banna
so thina beba still beza lapha yazange sithi thina sibafuni
so singathi asinifuni maka still asenisupport emoshowini
hayi bona nabo phela siweza lapha team
so mina ngifuna ukubuza so okay wena lento le esibuya akoyenza ne le vele ayinenza ukuthi kube ngathi imali ya nibe
ndikwenzani
forever humble
nandikwenzani
njengoba kuzofika the word forever humble konke yenzekile ngithi
like kube ane forever humble nje like awuseka
awubafile nina ukuthi thina siyakopa copy and paste ngibona ehlekisayo mina ukuza ahleka laba
Nanki ngifake nje nawe yewe ayisho ngakhona my man akina lana nje
abomile
yeah ayile ayifanga ifilter akina nje lana ne umphathi wakho apparently lento le uyiphendulile to e podcasting
Mara, yinto-
to me.
yinto
My man.
esiyisile leyo, guys.
Oh, abenilo.
Mamela, yiyo into ephakamisa amaphaphu.
mara
Oh, iphamise mina amaphaphu.
Yeah.
Phamise
Mina vele kimi mina phakamile angibazi bona mina
Why
kimaphakamise.
why phakama manje? Okay, ngicela
Copy and paste.
Okay, ngicela
Ngikuzwe ukuthi mina ka Clip and Tap khona umuntu okopayo na.
izakucocela.
Understand?
Umphathi wakho awuyiphendulile ke nalento leyo.
Mina akayiphendulanga kahle.
No, awuyiphenduli kahle.
Mina ngifuna ukuyisho ngelihlo lami.
Okay,
Ngifuna
isho ke.
lami.
Yeah, isho.
Kwa Clip and Tap akunamuntu ukuthi copy ingoma.
Yeah.
Into equlwa ka Clip and Tap iyaqulwa ePostoli. You understand? Number 2. Khona ingoma enthe yini nina ihlengiwe lesi nithi nasikope kuSenzi.
Bathi angiyazi mina
Usho mina no A.
Na yena am cause angisho ebakuSenzi mina ngiyazi.
Thina phela
Thina sikopile sakopa yonke into. Mangabe mamela ihlengiwe yeSenzi mamela nehlengiwe yenhlakanipho ayifani.
isense irecorda
Ayirekhoda ngicele ke iquleke.
but then evidence ikhona la kule video engizoyikhipha kusasa bafethu because it seems like game is clear ukuthi awuyibukela
Kodwa umuntu uthi ingoma noma ikhwehlela nathi siyakhwehlela lapho phakathi. Ingoma ithi nathi siyakhwehlela. Kanjani ingoma shothi mayiqeda ukuthi sifapane kwathi nathi sifapa sithi
So okay mina
Okay, so imawo
umphathi ngifuna ukuya lapho ukuthi umphathi wakhe apparently usiphendulile now. So I was watching this episode le iSansomida maybe naniyibonile ngisho. So lapha usiphendulile ukuthi yena imento yakhe ngisho uPlaza from the Saints. So if abantu abazothi yena ucula ingoma eza ku Saints
akuna stress
because his mentor uPlaza
ayinakhona bangenaphi.
yena
Mangena
ungena
phela uPlaza yena uyakasa ngendaba yokukopa.
no angisho obviously Pepe yakini njani imatanga fast ngithethe le imayuzo yakini njani le obviously if I look up to me bro and you do things that I do you never complain because it's one of my
again complainelani
because who's complaining
yini ukuthi na siyakopa ngisho thina
we're
siyakopa.
speaking facts
yeah
Aya sikopi ke nami ke ngiyaphendula sikopi.
okay it's fine yakho vele kumele
but then
yakho le
but then azweni uyenzeli ne
Okay.
probably tomorrow ngizoyi-release video full video I understand ibukele kunehlengiwe ye-The Saints Gospel Choir clip I think i-1 minute clip and then nehlengiwe Inhlakanipho Gospel Singers clip
1 minute
clip I understand
so manje ngikubuza
Nama notes ayafana.
ngikubuza okay awuzombuza after ngikubuza so wena uyavuma ukuthi ni Junior Saints
Angivumi ningalinge nisho
okay
Mamela okay
yabo ngathi inkingi
Mamela ngithi mina angivumi. Yazwa ngithi angivumi.
that's small
Angisho bathi inhlakanipho yini Junior Saints yona leyo. Wafana uJunior Saints. Mina. Sorry guys, wo. Akusuba fana guys, ngilikhiphe ko.
Sure. Okay. Never ngena la. Don't keep me hanging.
Ngilikhiphe ko ngikamela kabafana neseathi wami.
I feel.
Zane guys, uPoza mina okay. See for sure khona uyabacwela isense mina angisungu Junior Saints mina ngibhakwe enhlakanipho nginhlakanipho ngijunior enhlakanipho senior tertiary.
Yes. Okay, so my wena okay awuyivumile ukuthi
Angivumi.
so my
manje ngathi uPoza lapho ngingavuma hayi.
Oh na okay. So my abathi so nina ingoma za ku Saints ikhona nawuhlakanipho uyayivuma or
yeah vele cause ikhona vele.
This why
okay that's why
Nithi siyakopa.
Okay shoot okay umphathi wakho uyivumile lento mara akayivumanga
he doesn't mind being called a copy and paste
yes because his mentor uBlaza.
Oh, okay.
Mphathi wakho akusiyithi.
Konke ngifuna ukukhuluma ngani la? Konke ngifuna ukukhuluma ngani? Oh, angisho nithi mina ngisese kundaba yokukopa. Ngithi mina indaba yocopy and pasting ngisho ukuthi ayikho namanje. Mangabe uBlaza uyiculile, mphathi wayifaka. Fine. Kusho kuthiwa kotshiwe. Bayifaka ekuqala isenti thina sayicula after that's why nithi kuyakopa.
Okay.
Kunengoma esifakile nina ayicula after masingathi niyakopa.
Yo, okay, ngicela uphendule
facts le.
Okay, facts.
Khona ingoma enirecordile sithi thina besiqula azange siyirecord. Manje ngabe ni record eqala. Mangathi manje thina nina ni record eqala because of benifuna ukuthi ingoma bathe yenu kungathi
Ngenza ama
yenhlaka.
example or
vele like okay, ngicela umphendule. Yabona lesangizila ngisho mina for asakhuluma. Okay, ngempela lento le. Thina amasingathi sicula ibayethe. Yeah, understand. Izwile ethi injani ibayethe.
Nikopila sana nambe nifuna.
Besikopile.
Okay, my man. Yeah, I understand mara.
Futhi nakathathe nina thina siyayishaya sayikopha vele like copy verse.
Yes, into sishoyo le. Kodwa
Guys,
no, thina asinandaba check my man. Thina asinandaba nokuthi maybe ikhoyena khonqula iEmmanuel for example. Nangapha ucula Emmanuel, nangale Emmanuel, nangapha ucula Emmanuel. Inkinga ama arrangements.
Mina ngithi ama notes awafani.
Ama
Ingoma
arrangements.
ingaba khona but ama notes awafani. Ungathi
ekena tanga nale outhi le ubani isho kanjeni
ubani
le outhi biculela inhlakanipho ubani sibuda
yeah
sibusiso nayo isho kanje ithi ingoma ikhona mara ama notes awafani but then thina masisithi amamelisise tanga
nina
mina sengikhulumela nawe
iyafana
dog
isikhulumeleni bantu benhlakanipho isikhulumeleni so Juli, so mina
itanga zidefend
ayifani cause of guys angeke izifani khona owangale kwi-base ne okay angeke ngithi like ngibabiza ngamagama for example khona owangale ku-base ufaka i-notes khona owangale ku-first 10 ufaka i-notes second 10 ufaka soprano notes alto notes khona onokufaka i-notes angayazi yini le khwele isenti asifaki i-notes mara nithi yafana waze lapho ukuthi iculwa isenti
shuthi umphathi wakho usuke ayifaka azi ukuthi iculwa isenti
ufaka sifakeli notes
nesifakeli
sasifakeli notes
anislam slam kanjalo ya anislam yabona abakhona shout out
inhlakanipho gospel singer
yes ngokufakela ama notes at least ngiyangana inkinga ama octaves anwazi
nama ngini octave nama
yebo ukuthi yo yes why so ukubuza wena so
khona ayazi inhlakanipho mina ngiyazi
okay tina as the Infamous Gospel Choir kuwe now thini apparently asiyaras you screaming ngokuzwa kwakho
momamele Infamous
yeah
okay mina Infamous ne ngathi mangiyisupport singikhulumele mangiyisupport ngibukele emashoni nangigasela vele
screaming artist development ayina head get
mara if I funa zakhe ngimamela ngikhuluma manga
yakena why asikasela uyini umzayoni yakena why nakhona ngumzayoni namne ngumzayoni nje ayinamba mina church lami like inamba kamampela you understand
uzayinambela neInfamous
yeah yakena why apparently elami church isicula ange high key kwayenzeka ukuthi angafika ku Infamous Church
amazayoni vele yakazi
isicula ange high key you
understand mina ngiyakasa vele
so uyarasa mara lento oyikhiphayo it doesn't make sense ukurasa kwakho
mangiqula yeah
it makes sense it doesn't yakena why you're not musically intelligent and langapha you not understand the term octaves yabona ngabe umphathi wenu ufundise ngama octaves
asikhulumeni la ngizoze ngikhohle ngazi ukuthi
okay fast then okay ikhulume ngizobuza
guys lana yazi nasikhuluma ngani ne indaba yemisindo nendaba yokuthi abobani ini kanjani ayisebenzi
sebenzani
into esebenza imessage engoma la asingamamelini umsindo la ukuthi kenziwani message engoma la manje uzothi maka vele umsindo wona shemna ubanga maka nje
so shuthi asicule
and nathi
sibanga
inkinga yini andiquli ispostoli
yes exactly yeah
we understand
Tina Sane, we are a simple example of joyous celebration
just for in
for ini kanjani tanga
just celebration yani
yeah yazi inkinga
Because
tanga thina we're in the wrong industry
like amampela we in the wrong industry kamampela thina
kwala nina enithi khona ni copy and paste yelo ukuthi nina mabathi nibanga umsindo ukuthi ni joyous celebration bangena umsindo
no thina sibanga umsindo
asa Octave
nina nisho kanjani nithi if bathi nibanga umsindo
yes
yeah
cula umusiko oyi1
ngilapho
cula umusiko oyi1
ijoyous icula ngama mic you understand nina nibanga umsindo nako rezala nje kuphela
ngabe abokhona le sicula ngama mic jo lesikhathi our guest choir was iDuduza Serenade
angisho abafuna ngikathenda
abafuna yeah so like yabona lapha
athenda in
one man show
i1 man show
mina ngikhumbula vele shame nina angilandeleni izinto
yeah yakena
athi mina
ama
abona mabathi kuzikhaya le maybe abona like
pentatonic
angafiki lapho
ngafiki ngisimbirarile
angilazi nale gama likhuluma
yabo musical experience
mana uqeda ulikena mos na uqeda ulikena
ngenxa yomphathi wami phela ndoda
fine okay so zenzini okay fine
ayisiyabonga phaya
sikhulumile
siyabonga mfana
siyabonga kule show esibuya kuyo njami the show esibuya kuyo last week Sunday
a day ago
eventually mawubhekile wena benjani as a whole
did you
enjoy the show
the pressure nina phela izayintsuphe ngani inhlakanipho nina la eDefton nina ngama so show yonke ithu like show yonke inthulo oncula ingoma eyi1 still abazothi yo juice
shout out to juice
shout out my face
shout out vele
yeah I'm gonna say nina like us ngo even if ningalahli key yo juice yo
yazi
why
vela sithophele nenza ngani
ngoba ngathi silahla ikey or silahla ini ama yini konje
ama notes
vele like ingoma like siyayi
yeah as a whole
you understand siqule asimi like asitatazela ukuthi yabona manje like lasiphelile asijampisi
no
qhubeka nengoma that's why basithi
ngoma abajampile oh choose you understand that's how your guys are being like favorite like us you understand
favorites
like he should like phela ninajone like so to say this ne ku creativity ne anyeke anisifanise ani infinity through creativity
so khulumela tanga as
behalf of Infamous
okay
you understand last season khuluma on behalf of Infamous anyeke jo like igamampela because umusic wethu ukufana awufana ngisho nina ninzi ama pentatonic skills awuyazi into le yini
hey angikhuzele yo
I understand so this why jo mina nento ejo yabona la ngibuya khona ngibuya akukhuluma ngenhlonipho kena ngitheni nangichaza
yo
ngichaza intweni ikhwaya yami yahlule kuyenza
yeah ubukhuluma ama
facts like into vele nabahwaya labantwana khwaya nami nabahwaya 100
sibakhwaya ngani
posture yenu ukuma kweni stage how your guys like
as presenting
yes present your side you like your guys to like people and how your guys present music ngakhona you understand shuthi in other words but I consistency ninayo khwayami anayihlaba like through ukuma wenu like kunibe nje tu
akakayenzwa next
akafaka
image
sinesithunzi
you understand ikhwayami aniyibulele lapha 100 angifuni utshela manje nibuya 100 nibulele 100
choreography
yo ifuthi lapho yo yabona how your guys like move towards ingoma lenza beniqula at that certain time 100 ngakhona choir yami abantomazana yabona labantomazana wasekhona wami anibashaya 100
Abazokhulumela abocherry phela.
ya ngikhuluma abochepe phela mangizothi ama-house phela angiyasifana phela ekhwayini yenu formula yikho so that's why like angizikhipha
abasebenzisani
nami angikesisana naye
abazana wenu like abasebenzisani guys thina
okay nina nenza kanjani
Aba advice.
No.
yeah ngicela our advice like angiyacela
mina into engizoba advise ngakuthi like mama seshowini like mama ngabonisa ukuthi like
Abazwani.
asizwa abona mina
Asahlebani.
singathi siyabona thina mina vele she mina yo mina
Isiphatha njengama
Mina, hey.
artists.
mina ngithi hey but then okay yabona kurezana kuyaza kurezana nasho ukuthi makushaya step nishaye nanomunye yami iphume 2 abanye yabona emakhwayeni kenzakala kanjani thina amantombazana ngikhuluma nge-front line thina amantombazana sifunana ngithi emantombazaneni and kanje mangizothi
Ona ikhona ikhona nakho lento ningafunani.
uvela ikhona nami
Why?
kwakhona engingabafuni
Abocherry dasukutshela
Abocherry baplasi.
Abocherry baplasa ta.
uchiva plus
Abocherry baplasa.
I mean like guys amakhwaya la vela nyike sithandane sonke yabo understand okay nangu mina ngumngani kathi yamo siyamucwana nami soprano cula 10 ngisho ubhenji 10
Soprano.
cula i-alto ngicula isoprano ne
Yeah.
okay ngizothi ucwana nami soprano lapha naku mina ngiyaphuma ngilandelwa uthiyamo ngilwa ne3 la ku soprano ngilandelwa uthiyamo siyabuyela emuva ayiphumi le3
imi
Elingoma iyahamba.
ingoma yahamba uzasho umphathathi nanyanyisa abanye like nanyanyisa like angeke ukuthi kuphume abantu abayithiwa abanye nimile like manonke
Exactly, yes.
ayike bona kurezali sizophuma thina sithu bamele 3 na makubuya thina sithu iphume le3 yabangani lapho ulwa nomuntu
ila bangani yabona futhi abangani
yabo
Baplasi.
but then masofika stage angeke siyifakele ekhanda lento leyo ukuthi manje ngilwa nalona mangaphuma ngiyamlandela
exactly
mele like maka umuntu omalaiko
Iba yini?
babhayiziswa ulo omalaiko nini
kanjani ma
line ngishwala ikoneni
Yeah.
khona lokuqala kumelamela
Eish lo yenza yonke into.
yebo nalapha kuyilo lo wala ku soprano makaphuma nalomela aphuma bahlangabezana makubuyele emuva le line manje ke vele makuzoba manje nonke manje nifuna ukuya phambili uzoba isipithi
That's why ngithi choreography nje yami ngiyabarate mina.
nami mntanga 10
Ngithola 10 out of 10.
ayinetheni
okay 1000 ngiya ethu kulapho kuphela mina amangasho like
yeah, that's right.
kulapho kuphela ngingasho ukuthi yabona nina ne
Nalithatha icup.
icup anithatha lapho
anisabela ningasabi ukuthi
Okay,
sisabelela
yes ucula anacula ne
hayi asiculi ukucula liwi
ucula phela ucula
Bahlabelela.
maka
Ejoba
bahlabelela maka ngihlabelela njenge the saints anamold ngisho nani
bahlabelela yebo
ane saints iyamold
yeah
so ayivuma lento abathi phela ima zenzi ima fast
of fight villa ayilo
hayi ayimold
Jola bafethu abanye.
ikunana ayimol
Yeah, una.
ngizositshela ke
Sikhuluma angisho mayela.
ibuhala ayimol
okati ngicula nonke ngifana kanje nonke ngicula nonke ngokufana kanje
hayi baba
that's why ngizothi thina asiyarasa cause nonke like ngicula into eyi-one
Tanga. Clip and step mele kube ne-molding. Thina sisethi ku-generate.
nezwayo
esasicula ngomoya yena cabanga nina aningacakeka jo abangathi like
yes guys I want to go to Infamous ne
Yeah, azange.
but then ukabona ngayo makusoprano ne ngabathe ngiyazama
Akwenzeki ta.
kuba ngathi jo abokhona la abengikhona ngiyishilo lento ukuthi yabona those choirs abacula angikheli phansi abangacula ngekheli phezulu bangahameka ngikhona because you are not used
yeah kwasekhona nomphathi makathi siyehlise ngiyahameka
kanti la yini ngawe okay
mina ngikwazi ukucwela phezulu like isoprano yami ngishile soprano le
umemeze
le soprano le yasepostoli ehamba nobudoda phakathi lakhe iyabona ke iyabona ke ayile kodwa abo guys yo
ashofele jo
Osatswiliniza kahle
so
kahle ne.
antwininisi kuna leso ngicula ngathi bekicula umntana omncane I understand yeah ilevels le ngathi like abantwana abancane
maka do you know ukuthi
Lapha ama-siren.
ngicela akuyiphinda lento ne ngicela futhi akuyiphinda lento ne angiyiphinda ta ane angiyiphinda ta
Taka basama siren.
Yes, angifuni kuyiphinda lento. Sense. Sina we are one choir shuthi if uzothi asiyarasa ne. We are one choir like us ezothi ezocula ne Isaac and Mighty Messengers. Ekubeni asikhipanga mali ethu sathi lo muntu siyambiza ekubeni welo muntu wakhipha yakhe imali wathi name your price. Githi Isaac asaphila. It was 3 years ago.
Yeah.
3 years ago asaphila Isaac.
2 years.
2 years. Okay, you understand? So how can umuntu onje Isaac phela his Hall of Fame musically ayaziwa naye musically he's broad lo muntu lo.
Uyazazi.
How can you waste your money kubeni ebantwini abamemizayo? How is that even possible?
And umpostor.
And umpostor lo muntu lo. So tina we are one of the choir engakhipha imali yakhe yathi sicela Isaac instead Isaac uthi ngifuna laba bantwana la.
Nathi yethu.
Ngikhipe yani.
Hayi. Makazi.
Khuluma.
Nathi yethu makasikho lapho.
Kanjani? Okay.
Hayi manje phela wena manje wena sewuthi shukuthi la kithina siyazibizele ukuthi.
Yeah, thina phela
In a way, yeah.
asibizanga pepe asibizanga Isaac to get recognized. I understand. Instead ne lo alobaba.
Ukukwa ukhula. Siyazikhulisa.
So nina okay,
yeah,
we are fair to right ne. So githi yini ke?
Siya experience siyakhulisa siyakhula angazi uyangizwa.
Okay.
Githi yini ke?
Bonwa.
Githi yini ke?
Ini.
Lento ukuthi thina asibize athi name your price.
Yini kanjani?
If
Ezinina ukukhula.
Githi
Futhi nifuna ukunikhulisa. Yena ufuna ukukhula ngisho ubize nini? Ufuna ukunikhulisa nani nimbizanga. Nina futhi nanifuna nini ukukhula phela.
Ayibo sesibuye ucula nezinga asibuye.
Iyabona ke. Izinga ibize nini?
No.
Ngibizwe yini?
Type.
Shit.
Yeah.
Type shit, bro.
Yeah.
The production le iyayenza lishow le.
Oh.
Akusimfinos yakusizing iproduction.
Navuma mina.
Like yeah.
Because
Ngifuna
makungisho.
ukubona ukuthi ngicula nezinga.
I know.
Kube ngiyasifuna.
Balo.
Kanjani manje?
Balo.
Because sebenza imali la ngivela emakhwela ibusiness.
Kanjani man?
Makhwela into business yabo.
Jo.
Awana skills kuyishilo lento le.
Yeah, hi.
Wathi manje vele sesicule cause lento le ibusiness.
Ibusiness yeah, manje business.
Manje vele sigcwele imali manje asazi
Yabo.
manje.
Yeah, so kahle la.
Ngibone phela umuntu like shuthi angisho anicula Tamati nini nge31 May.
Nini then?
31 May.
Good blind
Ngizaki.
31 May 20
Do ihamone 31 May.
Eyathi ngome ngengayiki konje. Mina mazi.
Nothing. Okay. Shuthi there was this poster here ne. Shuthi ama poster ale posting bangibonisile ngibonisa umuntu shuthi uchesa naye lo muntu lo. Wasikisho wasela athi laba ebe copy and paste. Shuthi in other words uthi njengoba nithi thina si copy and paste ibheka socula nobani. Le chorista yenu le. Shuthi
That's why I bringing it up.
Yeah, I understand. Kuba ngathi mai
Usile lo usifaka yena i1.
kuba ngathi mai
No, but then why yena asifaka yena i1 thina makhuluma thina.
Maka
Sifake choir.
why na akakhuluma yena i1 thina masikhuluma sifaka
Sifake choir.
nina nifaka choir
Nina,
nina
yeah.
nifaka infernus no fire
Na threatnisha. Fake accounts.
forever humble
but lapha vele.
Azigama ka forever hambi mina ngimtsheleni ne sesidikelele kakhulu la sesalisebenzisa nje inkosi. Mina ngikuhambule mina. Mina ngikuhambule.
wamfathi wakho ke akamba wamfathi akamba aku episode eyesansominda
Athi
nina untshela ukuthi ningalo bantwana bami nani onjeli okay maka nilalelile
igama lika forever
humble okay mina nilalelile
silalelile
I nonke
hayi sonke vele ngijabula kalalelanga
hayi phela yona bani abaningi
mina kahle ngibonanga mina ku Facebook ama comments angibona mina bengikhomenta ngidelete
wasabaka
mina ngiyazazi ngifuna ngihlasela umphathi wami
why
hayi baba
angisho usiwanga umuntu
hayi mina bengifuna ukuthuka ke
Othi
mina bengifuna mina
wasukela
nanko hambuli mina
okay wasuka awukho hambuli
kuthi na nithi thina copy and paste nanko hambuli sengilisebenzisa ngenkani nje sokuyinkani
okay saxolisa for i-copy and paste
yebo bengifuna umakhulume nangi nomuntu
Asikisi.
nako abafuna siqolise copy and paste
manje ufuna ukungizwisa and then bayela khona othe ufame kungamedlanga
Yimi loyo.
ukuthi
Yeah, vele.
Yithi vele
Facts.
hayi wena fame yahlanya uxolise
Bemela xoliseleni.
Melxoliseleni
no guys like babheka yena njengomunye umuntu and number 1
Ubheka yena umbonile yona la?
thina bekucomment abantu yini
Ma-support.
ama-support bekungacomment hlakaniphi
siyabesicomment
that benikhomenta kupha ngisho nithethensi ngama-copy and paste
Okay ngiyabuza ukuthi like kulawo ma comments abantu maba comment thina bese comment.
That's why ngithi lo ufakazile waqolisa umphathi wenu wathi niyaziqolisa uyaqolisa because abantu babheka umphathi ngeke baze bathi labantu abaphuma emakhaya
Why umphathi?
babheka umphathi because ngabantwana baka 5
if okay
Ingane
okay
ifika,
yabona if le ale podcast le yethu ne becomes successful that
Akusho
doesn't mean
ukuthi
ukuthi
Influence
influence is successful or no
mina
file
ngithi le podcast le nani yenzeleni
Siyenzele thina.
Ngoba-
Like ngiyenzele mina kahle kahle.
i-podcast icala nini
This year.
this year
makuzoyenziwani makuzokufika le show
so ukuthi it was a coincidence ukuthi la asicabanga khona na ngisho ayafela
and bekuyi opportunity vele.
opportunities ukuthi hey
wena yakhumbula
awenzani lo
Ngiyakhumbula ini?
awenzani
Ngafika enhlakanipho ngathi ngizoshoot.
wathi uzoshoot ivideo bozayishutelani
oh ayakhuluma
Yeah, 'cause I have
for what image kwayo
Image
Yeah.
encane type shit. No, check ku channel yami angisho now awu subscribe nangapha. Yabona uma
Usigobele, we.
usigobele tanga lo.
Usigobele.
Awu subscribe na.
uyazi ukuthi asiyalight sikobela
ifana tenga.
ngokuqula nanihlabeleli
Yazi wena mongayenzani? Yeah, le ivale leyo mshana ivale leyo. Yazi wena mongayenzani mongangena lapha page nami le
Yazi,
show. Uzochecka. Ngike ngayiposta tanga futhi inhlakanipho icula la.
oh yeah ecini
Hayi qini.
kuphi tonga ngizonga kanti
Ku memorial service ka
oh kathanda
yeah kafika cishe ngisa 15 ngayipost lona so kumele kahle kahle ngaringa naye mfazi ufofu yebo ngasukhiphithi ngifuna ukushaya into esong ngifuna ukungishuza in edit la ku channel yami ayiki flop ngavela same day ngathola image encane azange saphumelela chance ngayithola kuphi ngayithola lapha ya ngaposta kanjalo so yeah ile so iqala ukuthi ngiyenze ngishutha inhlakanipho
hayi ushutelani
amela ngishutha inhlakanipho kodwa inhlakanipho ayifune kule channel
khuluma ubhoza hayi mina angisinana yini lento leko isihlalo sasekwayeni angithathanga njengesihlalo yebo angikona lapho so ayikho into engizoyibeka lapha ekwayeni
okay mina I'm part of media I'm promoting my own choir and I'm doing great job
nami ke ngizonipromote nangizwa
asiyabonga asekucela
Please.
sifuna abantu abanje
Abaso.
noma ungahamba usikhulume kabi at least abantu bayafuna ukubona labantu abakhuluma kabi more views for us asiyacela
sebenza imali la njengoba nisho ukuthi wathi
lana sise business
la business le
business okay before siyivala ne le show esibuya kuyo sila ama game belena kanjani siwadla
like yona
ama game yeah okay before siyivala ne le show esibuya kuyo mobhekile yakho or otherwise
mina ngeke ngithi bekuyini lapha sihlabile kahle kahle wonke boyuta amakhaya because ngeke ngangena phakathi angithani
okay fair
kwala ngizwile ngaphuma ngathi
Uzwile
infino
ukumemeza.
sikhipha inyawo lapha ya
asiyamemeza
understand yeah lapho ngishilo vele ngathi ngathi nakahle so
Hala usisikhipha inyawo
lapha
okay I thank
kodwa kwale ngoma engizwe like futhi ingoma yakho inale clip le angazi yini ingoma yakho la nithi kule bese angazi nathula bese nithi soka ithuna bese nacana phinde le uzoyikhumbula mawuhlelekini ingoma yakho
akihupol
maybe medley yeah
medley ne yeah maybe it's a postola medley asne postola medley uyazini le
Takachaka to yenza so down. Why is that so dog? Why is that so?
Okay ngabus okay so
maybe I understand.
okay
Nje bathi ipandele kaJaivan yes postal.
yeah
Mixtape.
like a
In a way.
mixtape
mixtape in a way.
shoot ipali so
Yeah, in a way. Yeah. So when I was there, show there,
sure thank you I can for
sabile nje sonke lapha sisebenzile sonke la
ukubongana yakena ubongana lento ikhulumayo
Uringivara.
lento ikhulumayo yakena if there was another person maybe kinga the way mine ekhwani yami ne ba matono ngakhona bayi because ayithila ngeke yo you understand yena she became real.
Yeah, good.
But both choirs lava fit.
Maybe that's why. Tangana into ngifuna ukile. Ngithe nina ma Davidson amahle. Ma Davidson amahle nithe nina.
Siyalo.
After show.
Onse after show mele kube iwin yani lose. So many
why nenza so?
Busy anabhekana lapha.
Sina phela sena silenda ukuhlelela abantu phela manje. Or silenda ukuhlalelwa.
Ukuhlalela okuhlalelwa.
ama guys nani ka Facebook ngimbonile ama comment.
Yini
bengitha ama comment ama post like post yokukhulunyiwe guys
inhlakanipho kakhulu
inhlakanipho kwakhuluma nange Infinos no
equal something so yakena
mina I feel like
yakena lapha ne inhlakanipho kuphela ngizokutshela like kuphela yini kuphela jo yangizona yakena why ne from like us sithina siqula akaze kwathi Infinos
yeah thina hlala
akaze from like isicula from yangithola like us singaculi nani talenza like ukuthola ututu ngathi tu kuba ngathi like
sekuzokucula
yeah bengicula aninota besazi ukuthi yabo like mina mfethu lento le ngithi ukuthi Davidson exactly that's my question ukuthi yakena Jone I've asked the very same question amongifika ku
ayazi mhlambe why anikho like ku clap and tape that's why mhlambe that's why because anikho ku clap and tape
mele sicule njengani
yabona ke mara nginforce ngeza ngizojoin inhlakani
what wasijoin sokucula njengani azokhona utshala yo asengisusa ukuxolani lapha ekhoneni angasuka mfana angasuka mfana yo uxolani mfana angenkani mfana sengifika mfana akujuice ayakutshela mfana angenkani mfana yabo kana yakena ne asicula njengani ungawa
so sikhuluma nomphathi ukuthi mphathi kumele kahle kahle nathi upostola ukuze maybe so
ukuthi like abayilandeleli nani nabo
abayilandeleli kanjani
no like Davidson bayazi ukuthi umusic wethu abawujwayelanga it's broad kakhulu
yeah that's into esishona kule shoot abasifundi
hayi ngiyadlala
abasifunde lo right ama no right
okay singimbuzele wena bona uyasifuna
mina nginifuni vele
yebo ufana
nawo waye ungasifuni
awuna reason
ngisho kuthiwa nani nekhaya yami
kanjani ususwelesile wena
mina ngafika bathi Infinos ayifuni inhlakani ngathi nama ngiyangibafuna
awas now ufika awuyimpi nawo ngoba
asempini
ayazi ifana nawe tanga mawufika tanga uthole tanga singafuni nawe bo
nani ningafuni
ayithola kusho banzi
nani ningafuni hey hinozoidi hey
thina asina jive nabantu thina sine jive nezenzo zabantu that's all
okay
yebo
it's fine
so in all ishow bekuyini or ishow equally or ishow bekuyini
choose one obviously yakho
obvious ngochoose yami vele bekuyethu
bekuyini okay tanga
iba ngathi awukhwayeli ijuice
iba isupporter ya iba isupporter sibona siwa nje ubukele
awazi ukuthi lamakhwaya awazi
nina mara ngicamthe ngakhipha ingcondo yenhlakanipho lakho
ikhiphe akube ngathi ayikho lokuba khona
iba ngasiyaqala ukubona awe
shout out to the family bathi silwa nayo ekubeni iyo elwa nathi
asilwi la
awulina
kushuthi khona abalwayo ke
angisho yilaba abanebhamu
hey bala sotomula kala baba mafake
ilaba bona man
yibo balwayo
hayiba abalwayo
another thing tanga after ama interviews wami tanga kungothreatenisha abantu engiba interviewile dog
mina ngozongithreatenisha she
no like say wena vela ngeke bakuthreatenisha because you are from them
jo nina bayini favor yakena mina ngibona ngathi abantu babathanda ngoba manje bathanda uplaza
bathanda uplaza mina kangithanda uplaza ngimaza kangazi
okay imento eyomphathi wenu and uplaza he's the biggest person la as a whole
yeah
good
No.
Like Davidson.
Yeah, as a whole. As a best person.
Davidson as a whole.
As a whole. Ubaba wethu loyo. Umkhulu wethu.
Babe.
Idlozi.
Ngibaba mule.
Ikpe.
Kwando ngathi.
Idlozi lethu ngapha imento yenu.
Damn.
Menzo
Yebo.
kafu.
Yeah yini phela ufufo yini?
Ngifofo mina.
Awusufufo. Okay,
Usenzi.
ngiyabonga iyekele ukuthi
Iyekele
le
ukuthi-ke,
podcast ile
yabofire.
yakafaka
Or
infamous yaka walker noSifuna.
Mina ngithe yalaba bayi2.
Yes.
Laba bayi2 laba bazitshela ukuthi bahlakaniphile.
Mayisi ya kanjani?
Kwazi kanjani
Ngisho kanjani? Ngiyantshela ukuthi ngisho kanjalo.
Okay, mara uyibeke
Abantu
kahle.
bayi2 bayangidina laba.
Yeah, siyabonga.
Yacho. Let's wrap it up, dog.
Before we wrap it up, 3 favorite choirs down because vele sekulate. Amakhwaya ay3 wala ekasi excluding your choir.
Excluding your choir.
Why?
Amakhwaya
obviously yakuvela uhamba number 1.
It's
Mina
our
makhaya
tradition.
ngwazi.
Mara like
Ngegama nje.
okay, yeah,
Yeah.
igama like your 3.
15
One.
Okay, 1.
1 15
Enye.
20. Bohali.
2.
3. Last one.
Bana balirata engiyayikhipha ibuhali.
Yeah.
Fake hidden.
Hidden voice. That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
By 3.
Okay, by 3.
Ni
Bana balerato.
Yeah.
Okay, out of 10, how much do you rate 15 20?
11.
11. Mara music ukhewa umamela mara music
Music
15 20.
Angal that.
Okay, asivale 15 20. Cause angeke uthi thina siya screamer.
Guys,
Maqedwe uzothi
Tata uzothi wena
guys, let me tell you mina angomamela amakhwaya.
Okay,
Ngimamela
yeah,
amakhwaya wa out.
Okay,
Ngale ke.
asiyangala
Like
ngaphandle.
Davidson.
Asiyangala sibona ukuthi
Any
isipana
three,
le
yeah.
ndlela. Ngale name Trinyana.
IMM.
Okay.
Izing.
Okay,
Unana.
okay. Fine.
Nyama lapho.
Izinga iscream for wena.
izinga
Yakho
isikhona.
yakhona ukimamela izinga.
Ngiyimamela
Maka
nje.
maka abantu
Kahle kahle unenkinga nathi.
Unenkinga nathi wena.
Unenkinga nathi.
Wena unenkinga nathi.
Ngithanda amanotes wabo. Angithandi umusic.
Beyokulalela futhi mayabo bazothi ngiphinda into engayiphinda last.
So, otherwise, guys, it's your boy, Mr. Capitwa LTD. Please click that like, share, and subscribe button. Click that notification bell.
Guys.
Ungacimi lapho wo.
Click that notification
Whoa.
bell to get notified next time I drop.
Never. Mina I will never. Abona le niyanisile nini inkinga yini. Nano ngiyanibona ukuthi niyafuna ukuthi ngithi ay mina inhlakanipha mina bengizojoin ichoir so.
Kanjani manje?
Nanifuna ukuthi nangijoin Infinity.
Udala ukuthi sijobhina maphela lo.
Ngiyambona hayi.
Guys, I will always
Guys,
okay.
Forever choose. Forever choose.
Mina yes, I will
Forever
choose
choose Buffet.
Forever inhlakanipho.
Yeah.
Choose fam lam. Angeke.